767. We go from. Oh, you're just holding it now.
It's like holding low ready.
Low ready. Damn it.
Oh, nice.
Sixes, fives, six. See if I can bust in the fives. That would have been a nice run, I think. Oh no. I don't know why I always miss the easy fucking target on that. 11.5 with a reload. Let's see if I can get a clean run. Ah. I'm pretty much just as fast with the pistol.
Way faster with the rifle.
Can't get a clean run.
Broken the force with the rifle. You haven't even got close to force with your pistol.
True. Well, yeah, you're right. I barely broke into force with the rifle. Right, left, right. Alright, got one more in here, let's see. Oh, last shot too about him.
Come on, dude.
So
It's gonna be fucking so weak.